It seems that Hackathon is getting to an end. My name is Pedro. I joined with Miguel. We are both from Portugal, and we decided to start to build DUMP protocol. It's a decentralized universal networking protocol. And the idea is to apply this to my platform, which is dSound, in the future. So we started to build a protocol that enables anyone or any developer to start building decentralized application. The main idea was to build the grounds for dSound to have a data layer that is not connected to any blockchain. dSound started with another with a blockchain which was Steam at that time, and I learned with that process that it's not the best way to be reliant on just one source for your data, and also for the users is not a very good option. So I decided to build something that where the users would stay in control of their data all the time, and that's DUMP. DUMP is using technologies like HackFS, OrbitDB, Ethereum wallets, the HD wallets. Any VM blockchain can be connected and can monetize or build a business model around that. And it's also connected with Web3 storage and NFT storage and Pinata, and Filecoin through those services. And also ENS is possible to be used to register, for the users to register their own names and use those names for social networks. For instance, if you imagine that you could register one name and use that name for YouTube, Facebook, and any other social media that you use. And the most important thing is actually owning your data and sharing your data with other dApps that will present that data in a special way. So if you want to learn more about this project, and we wrote a bunch of stuff, just go to our repo, and there is a docs repo there. I will do a short demo right now. I will change to my screen. And here we have side by side one normal browser here on the left and one incognito browser on the right. We will be creating an instance, and here we will log in with MetaMask. We will choose MetaMask, connect wallet, and this will show us a signature request, and we sign it, and here we are. We have an Ethereum account that is connected to this browser instance. And right now we are not able to edit my profile because it's read-only, because it's not my account there. And you can see my posts here. So on this right side, I will log in with my account. It will generate my Ethereum address, and now I can write something here and edit this, but I can also make a post. Hello from HackFS demo video posts. And you can see that it shows here and it shows here as well. So everything gets synchronized all the time. And that's what we prepared. Just take a deeper look on our documentation, and thanks a lot. Cheers.